Guys, this is Maji from Maji Tuts. Welcome to today's tutorial about making ads sticky. First of all, I need to mention that this only works if you're on WordPress, because we are going to fix that problem with a WordPress plugin, which brings us to our next step. You will need the plugin called Q2W3 Fixed Widget for WordPress from Thomas Meyer and Max Bond. You can get that from wordpress.org. It's free, or of course you can also install that in your dashboard of your website. There, just go to plugins, add new. You can search for the plugin here. Just type in the Q23W, and it will pop up here. You will be able to install it just by clicking install now, and then you just have to activate it with that button here as well. Once your plugin is active, all you need to do is you will go to the widgets area under appearance widgets. And then there, let's say you want to do the sticky sidebar widget. What you're gonna do is here you can just create another section for custom HTML. You don't really need a title or anything. And then there you will have the option fixed widget. And all you need to do really is like you click here on fixed widget, and all the content that you're gonna put into that widget is gonna be sticky, which is great. You can also use that for other things than ads, of course. You can use it for making your recent posts sticky, for example, whatever, your categories, there's endless possibilities. And this is just gonna work like right out the box if you do that, for example, for the calendar or for an image or so. All you need to do is really click that fixed widget button here, and that's it. So if you have ads, of course, that you want to make sticky, what you will need to do is like you will need to add the code here in the content, because if not, of course, nothing is going to display. In my case, I'm working together with Ezoic, which is an official Google partner, and I copied their ad code from the Ezoic website. Of course, the ad code is personalized for every person. It's a different kind of ad code that you need to use depending on the ad unit. And I already prepared here a custom HTML field. And when I open that, you will see this kind of placeholder here for the ad. So all I needed to do really was copying that code into here, make it a fixed widget, and then that's it. It should look something like that. I prepared it somewhere, yeah, here. This is my blog about languages, and have a lot of ads on it. Yeah, if you're a visitor, you're gonna hate it, but if you're a publisher, which you probably are, as you're searching for a sticky widget, you know that it's necessary to have ads on your website to make an income from it. And here you see the sticky widget here, the horizontal sticky widget. This one actually Ezoic can provide that for you out of the box. You don't need to do anything at all. But I like to do the sidebar widgets as with that plugin that I just introduced to you, and you will see that coming here. Once you scroll down, now check the site. This one is nice and sticky and goes all the way through until the bottom. It's amazing. It works very, very well, and you don't need to create a single line of code. This is by far the easiest way I found to create sticky widgets in WordPress. One thing to note is that not everybody is eligible to actually use sticky widgets. So I'm working together with Ezoic, and if you do that, you can actually use sticky widgets. That's not a violation. But if you're just, let's say, you just have a new website and just recently installed Google Adsense, for example, you cannot use sticky widgets. It's actually a violation of the Google policy. So first of all, before you're actually installing that, make sure that you're eligible to even use those sticky widgets. But if you can, you should definitely do that, because it creates a really good income, like compared to other ad units. The sticky widgets are pretty amazing. And if you look around on the internet nowadays, all the bigger websites, they all use that. Some websites even use like 2 sticky sidebars, one on the right side, one on the left side. So yeah, you can play with it, and with this plugin, it's just very, very simple to do that. So, and there are also some options, of course, if you need to customize it further. You can obviously also do that. If you go to plugins, go to your installed plugins, search for the widget, go to the settings. There you can change some really cool settings as well to make it work even better. Mostly it works out of the box, but depending on the elements that you have on your website, you might need to add some margin at the top or at the bottom, because maybe different elements are going to collide, or maybe your sticky widget is going to hide other areas which you don't want, which could maybe result in a Google violation policy, in a Google violation. Yeah, that's about it. So I hope that was useful for you, and let me know if you have some questions about specific settings. I would be glad to help you out if I can. So that's it. Have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye bye.